Hello, this is your boy Miguel from the Mobile Mechanic 757, just giving a life tip. If you're gained weight or your shirt is too small when you bought it and it wasn't the size it said it was, or whatever the case may be, all you have to do is get yourself any kind of conditioner. The conditioner loosens up the fabric inside the shirt that you're stretching out, sweatshirt or whatever the case may be. All you have to do is put a cat full inside of a bucket of water, douse it. When you're stretching the shirt, you got to know what you're trying to do. Or you're trying to make it longer this way, or you're trying to stretch out the sleeves. But what you would do, if you're doing the sleeve, you'll grab here to here and you will stretch it out. Do not pull on it because you'll rip it up, but just kind of start stretching on it. And what I do is fold the shirt completely over as two, from this side like this. I fold the shirt. I'm doing it one hand, so be very mindful. I will fold the shirt over like this and then grab on both of the sleeves so they'll be equal, and I start pulling on them slowly but surely, and you'll see it stretching out. If you're trying to make it wider, of course, you'll go from here to here. Do not any shape from away stretch this area. Any kind of wording that you have, you will mess it up. Don't do that. Just stretch it from anywhere that has no wording on it and down if you're trying to make it wider. And if you're trying to make it longer, fold the shirt over to as from one side to the other and pull on it. Down, down, keep pulling on it, down, down, down. Do it 3 or 4 times to the length that you desire, and then let it dry. The reason why you're using a conditioner is because it relaxes the fibers in your shirt, and then you just let it air dry. And from that point forward, you go from there. So if you're gained weight or the shirt is too small or you need it much bigger or whatever the case may be, this is how you would do it. This is just a tip to help people out. I do whatever I can to spread any whatever knowledge I have to help everybody out. If you like these videos, please like, subscribe, and share. And thank you for being wonderful subscribers. Thank you.